What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be telling you about this cool custom keychain I got off Amazon, and as well as the key. First, I'm going to give you guys a cold start though. And I would remote start, but unfortunately I think because of the hood, that's why it won't work. The car doesn't think that it's latched or whatever. I don't know, but nonetheless, we'll get you guys a cold start. Also, my custom mats my girlfriend got me are getting a little dirty, but these are Lloyd's mats too. I got a little short clip about that. I might make a video. They're real nice. We'll get you guys a cold start though. Jeep sounded mean, just like always. Alright, I'll take you guys inside where there's not as much wind. Let you know about this sweet keychain and the key I got. Alright, so with these keys, I got them in a 2-pack on Amazon because that Jeep actually didn't come with a factory key. It just came with a key like this, basically, to start it, which is kind of weird. So I had to buy these, and the standard keys that came with the first Jeep I owned, my green mudding Jeep, it only has these buttons here, just the unlock, lock, and panic. There's no glass or remote start. So these are really nice. I had them cut at the dealer. One thing is, I tried to go to Walmart, I tried to go to Ace Hardware. They said they couldn't cut it, so I think, I don't know, it was probably $20 to $40. I honestly don't remember. But I just went to my Performance Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram dealer, and they cut both the keys. But yeah, this is a really nice key. And for two of them, for, like I said, I think it was 15, maybe 20 bucks. It was a really good deal. And then with this is really nice. This is leather. You can see there it says SRT8 just on one side. And this was on Amazon as well. I'm pretty sure you can get, if you guys have like a Scat Pack or a Hellcat, I'm pretty sure you can get that on from the same maker. But I've had this thing for about 3 months, and it is a little dirty. I'm sure I could clean it up. But as far as the overall materials go, it's really nice. It's in really good condition. So let me know down in the comments if you guys own one of these, or if you would own one now, because I honestly didn't know they made these. I think I was just searching around for, since the car just came with one of these and I was already buying keys, I think it recommended me something similar to this. So I was like, oh, I wonder if they have a special like SRT8 one. And it turns out they do, and it comes in the nice red leather. I think I could have got it in multiple colors. And I might get like a blue or silver one for my other Jeep. But yeah, I'll make sure to link these down in the description, and it'll have all the prices and everything, but it's just on Amazon. They came pretty quick in the mail. So yeah, this is something that I haven't really seen on YouTube, but definitely check them out. Definitely worth it just to show people or whatever. Really nice, holds up, and it's a good size too. It's not too big or anything or too obnoxious, and it's just a nice little accent to add to your keychains. So let me know down in the comments too if you guys would buy this or not. And yeah, thanks for watching.